Well, ladies and gents, we're doing something a little bit different in today's video. We're going out and doing a vlog. We're going to take some of the race cars, aka the S197 and the S650 here. We're going to go take them out, go shoot some pictures for some Instagrams. And yeah, I don't know if Sean knows yet, but we're going to go take his car and go get some flicks of it. And I don't know if he knows yet, but I'm also going to detail my S197 with his stuff. So yeah, let's get into it. Just put a new McLeod RXC 1200 HD in this thing, and I'm absolutely loving it. Going from a big single to the twin disc is absolutely an upgrade and a half. And we got the new premium shift boot down there. Get a little lukewarm start. Oh yeah, boys, that's some twin turbo hood dump goodness right there. I would rev it, but she's a little cold right now. The absolute most unfortunate part about all of this is I just ordered everything from DBP's Top Towel, like the mitt, the wad, everything, literally all of it. And it's not here, so we're gonna have to drive with air. So, you know, it's gonna be scratched now. Buddy really gave me a dumb idea and just gave me the keys to it. So, of course, now we're about to go test out the line lock and launch control right fast. But, don't mind if I do. Ugh. This car's also sounds pretty good for just an X-Pipe and supportless. I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty decent. Got darn forward door chime. Whipping this hoe in. Heck yeah, brother. Man, these cars running together are absolutely wild. It is kind of crazy to see how far this channel has come as far as the cars we got on the channel. It is really wild. Honestly, like a year ago, it was nowhere near like this. All right, so we're getting ready to take the cars. We're gonna run back to our apartment, go ahead and get the camera and everything so we can go ahead and take some pictures. Don't mind the exhaust leak. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go ahead and hit the road. I got darn tire shine on my hands. It's hard to shift this Tremec shifter. Golly, this car is such a rowdy drive. I don't think I've actually really filmed it much on video what it's like driving in it, but it's such a unit to just drive. Golly. Honestly, originally meant to grab my GoPro, but completely forgot. So we're filming off the iPhone. So it is like excessively hard to try to film this like thing and drive. Golly, that grabber blue really hits. Such a rowdy car to just drive on the street. It's absolutely insane. Most average car guy picked your spot is at a random warehouse. Ugh. Got darn T56. What do you mean, brother? Got the goddamn S650 Mustang at a random warehouse. Don't really know where we're at. But we about to get some pictures taken of the two cars. I had no clue what you were talking about at first. I thought you meant like straight back.
No, angled.
I got you. I got you. I got you. You're the photographer. You do what you got to do. While he's getting everything set up, I just want to take a quick second to thank today's sponsor, and that is absolutely nobody, because I'm poor, and I guess it's that Mopar back there that thinks he's fast. Like, he won't get gapped by both these cars. Anyways, let's get some pictures taken. I do have to say, these two cars together do look absolutely phenomenal. Something about the dark purplish red and then the bright blue together just work really, really well. I mean, they worked really, really well for Tyler's S550. I mean, especially the amount of times that car saw my taillights. I mean, I'm sure the rear of that purple Mustang looks really good to grab our blue 5.0 Mustangs. God, that thing is so cool looking. I love the way that car looks and sounds. Like, at first, I'm not gonna lie, I think I was an S650 hater, but seeing them done right, just these cars are actually good, guys. Y'all should look at them. They're not bad. Buddy's making me reposition. Oh. Give me directions so I don't hit your new car. Beautiful. I managed to wash this thing and I still have rubber absolutely annihilating in the side of this quarters. I don't think it'll ever come out at this point. This thing has seen a few too many track days at this point. But he's locked in. Look at that. God. The meatiness on that thing. Cut diffuser life. It's kind of cool. Not gonna lie.
Not with rock chips.
Yeah, you don't get behind this car because it will absolutely eat your front bumper up. That's why he drives in front of me now. Buddy said he knows the second spot, so we're heading out of the first spot, gonna move on to the second one. Golly, it's crazy. He's owned that car for like 3 days now at this point of recording. It's a pretty sick car, honestly. I've driven it and ridden it a few times. It's pretty daggone good. Buddy got us in the woods. I kind of like this. So there's actually a spot to go get a photo taken right about now. But he's got us pulled up in the woods for spot number 2. Got the gird dern. Mickey Tampson's on the back. Man, these cars look good. Except for when you get up close to that one and you realize the front bumper's scratched, the rear bumper's dented. There's rock chips everywhere. The paint's faded.
It's not my fault you let your front bumper fall off the car.
I did let my front bumper fall off the car in a parking lot. That's my fault. But yeah. That's yeah, the lights do look good on both the cars, though. I will have to say, like, seeing the the white lighting on both the cars, really clean. Of course, mine cuts off as soon as you pick up the camera.
Yeah.
Well, I'm not gonna lie. After owning the S197 for like almost 2 years now, the car never gets old. It just gets tiring. That's the easiest way of putting it. With the hood dumps and everything like that, this car is really rowdy, as you can probably see by the other clips of driving the car. But as far as street driving, has no AC. It's currently hot as the devil's butt crack here in North Carolina, and the cruise control doesn't work. I just finally put a shift boot, so now hot air and you can't see the ground anymore, and it's got a few little issues. But man, when you bring it out and take it to stuff like this, or take it to car meets, or take it racing, or anything like that, it just truly gives you more of an appreciation for the car, because it's just it's crazy. Like, this car is such a massive accomplishment for me, and I feel like the channel. So it is good. And now that we got the S650 on board, we got content for days on this thing, considering tuning came out like a week and a half for these things. And Sean recently just picked this thing up. You said what?
I'm not voiding my warranty.
It's not getting tuned, guys. Trust me. It's not getting tuned, guys. It's not getting... I'm a Ford technician. It's not getting tuned, guys. It is kind of crazy, because we were just talking about it. These cars are literally just 2 generations apart. So I have a 5th gen Mustang, technically the S197, so 05 to 14. And then the S650 is the 7th generation Mustang, 24 to 25 currently. And it's just crazy to see the differences, but how similar they are. Because, of course, Coyotes, they sound similar. Well, not this one, but my other Coyote car sounds similar. The hood dumps kind of killed this one. But they sound the same. Power bands are very similar. And, like, the overall driving feeling of the car, this definitely feels much sportier, but it still feels like a Mustang, which huge props to Ford for that. Other than that, though, man, these cars are crazy, the differences they have in them. The technology of the 650 is crazy. The S197 makes it feel like it's very outdated, but it still is not bad, honestly, considering Camaros at the same time. Kind of outdated feeling every time I get in one of those, like a 5th gen. But man, these cars look absolutely stunning together. But yeah, that's pretty much going to be it. I think we're done taking pictures today. We're just going to get back to the apartment, chill out. So that's going to be all for these two cars for today's video. I hope you enjoyed a vloggy style video. I haven't made one of these in a long time. And if it gets good reactions and stuff, we'll keep making them. But other than that, guys, I hope you have a great rest of y'all's day. Peace out, and I'll see you in the next one. Sean, you got anything you want to say?
Not really. I'm just tired.
Buddy's had it. Y'all have a good one.